Today, I'm going to show you how to download any YouTube thumbnail in full quality for free using the thumbnail downloader inside of utool.io. So the first step is you're going to go to utool.io. You're going to open up the thumbnail downloader. You can do that by clicking on the view tools, and then you can either go up here to thumbnail downloader and clicking here, or you can scroll down, and I believe it's right here under utility tools. On this page, it does tell you how to use the thumbnail downloader and also the different sizes and qualities and use cases that you can utilize this for. I'm going to grab one of these videos that I recently did. I'm going to right click on it and hit copy link address. And then what I'm going to do is go over to the thumbnail downloader, paste it in, and then hit this button. In a second, the tool pulls video info, shows you a preview of the thumbnail, then automatically grabs it at the highest resolution available. From here, you can hit download thumbnail and it will download the thumbnail to your device. No weird right clicking, no digging through the page source, no shady free thumbnail sites that give you bad quality and also make you decide which download button to click. If you want even more control, you can check the advanced options to the left here. If you click it, it's going to give you 3 different advanced options where you can download all the qualities, or you can copy the direct URL of the thumbnail, or you can also open it in a new tab. I just wanted to give every option available, but I figured that this would be handy if you're saving reference folders, sending thumbnails to clients, or just comparing design styles side by side. So why does this matter? Well, as a creator, I've realized there is no easy way to download YouTube thumbnails, and that boggles my mind that we don't have the ability to do that. And studying thumbnails is one of the fastest ways to improve your own click-through rate. Looking at what's working in your niche, what colors pop, what faces or objects stand out, or what text styles get people's attention. Downloading people's thumbnails is the best way to build a swipe file of thumbnails that make you stop scrolling, and then you use that inspiration in your own design. Also, I can't tell you how many times I end up not saving my final thumbnail, or I've lost my final thumbnail on a video that I did a bunch of years ago, and then I have to go back and utilize this tool to download it. But that's it. It's super simple. Go to utool.io, paste the link, download in full quality, build up your thumbnail game. Because at the end of the day, your video doesn't matter if nobody clicks on it, and a strong thumbnail is the first step to getting that click. Speaking of a good, strong thumbnail game, I also ended up making it a long time ago. It just reminded me of it as we're talking about it here. I did make a thumbnail game where essentially it brings up 2 thumbnails and you click on which one you think got the most views. I'll also leave that link down in the description just in case anybody wants to play with it or use it. I thought it was pretty fun. It is something that Mr. Beast's team for View Stats ended up making, but I was like, oh, this is really easy to make. I want to make my own. So I ended up doing that. So I will leave the link down in the description for that as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.